Hey everybody, this is Amy Kynes from Ready Aim Teach. Change of plans. How many times have you said that in the last couple of days? I'm sure more than you might have wanted to. That's going to be the story of our life for the next couple of weeks, and we don't really even know how far into the future. But that is what we do, and as teachers, that is what you do all the time. So really, you're used to it. And at Ready Aim Teach, that's what we're doing too, change of plans. So I'm excited actually to share with you how we're changing our plans to continue to meet your needs. Because one of the things that hasn't changed is student learning and our goal of making student learning interesting, exciting, and at the forefront of everything that we do. So we are just changing the vehicle for how we deliver our instruction for teachers so that teachers deliver instruction for students. So we are moving to some online workshops. And for years, people have been asking us if it's possible to have online workshops. And to be honest, it's something that I've been nervous about and I haven't wanted to do, but no time like the present. So the next couple of workshops that were supposed to be live in person are now going to be online. So perhaps you haven't gotten to take a workshop with us, maybe because you are far away, or maybe because you couldn't give up a whole weekend, or in the summer you couldn't give up 2 days. So this might be a great opportunity for you to take part in one of our courses virtually from the comfort of your own home or wherever you are. So I invite you to take a look at our courses. We've got the ADHD brain, what works, what doesn't, and why. And then we have equity in education, interrupting the status quo. And you can take these courses virtually at your own leisure. So it's a great way to dig into the content. You can take them for 2 graduate credits with Trinity University. If you have any questions, reach out to us. We're happy to answer those questions. We're all about student learning, and we're all about engaging and making the learning fun, interactive, and informative. On behalf of everything that you are doing, thank you for what you do to make student learning fun and interesting. Have a great day, stay healthy, and stay safe.